Hey everyone, today I am gonna tell you how to install Ollama AI locally in your computer and its various AI models so that you can run these models offline without any internet. So let's get started. First you need to install the installer of the Ollama. So I'm gonna search it on the browser for Ollama. You will also get the link in the description so you can directly go from there without searching. So here you can see it's available for Mac OS, Linux and Windows for now. So you can download from here. So currently I'm running my Windows 10 laptop. So I'm gonna install it for my Windows. So you just have to click for download for Windows and it would automatically start. So I've already downloaded it. So I'm just going to cancel this one and open it, which I have installed. You need to open the setup and it will look like this. And you need to simply click on install and it would automatically begin the installation. You need to wait for some time. So now after installing the Ollama, you can see that it's already running in the toolbar here on the right side, the down right side. So here you can always open the app from the start menu whenever you want to use it. So now what you have to do is go to the website from where you downloaded the app and go into this section, model section on the top right corner. And now you can see there are various, I think, numerous models present here which you can install on your PCs locally and run it without any internet. Select any AI model which you want to install first. So for example, I'm going to select this one, SMO whatever you want to pronounce it. So you just have to copy this code word which is in bold black color and open your command prompt. So let's open it, give it a nice color and zoom it for a better look full screen. Yeah. Now what you have to do is type Ollama run and paste that code word, whatever it was. So or type it simply. So I'm going to see this Ollama run smooth and hit enter. Now what it's going to do is pull the zip file or whatever the package from the internet and install it locally on your computer, so that from next time you do not need to use any kind of internet to run this AI model. So let's wait for it and fast forward it as it would going to take time. So now here you can see that it has successfully installed. So now if you want to check that it's installed properly or not, you can simply close the same command prompt window and reopen it, command prompt, and now what you have to do is type the same command which you typed for installation. Don't worry, it's not going to install it again. It will just pull that manifest which it has installed on your computer and run it. So I'm going to run that same command, Ollama run this smooth. So see, it's working. So wait, just zoom it a little and yeah. So what you want to ask, like let's say a hello to him. Hello. So now you can see that it's responding. So wait, let's ask another question. Who are you and what is AI? Is AI according to you? So let's wait. Yeah, now you can see that it's replying. Now the speed of this can depend upon your computer. If your computer is slow and has low performance, then it would type the command and answer it slowly. Similarly, like I'm showing you. Wait. So go again in the model section on the website, and here you can pick another. For example, I want to show you Mistral. So I have just copied that. I have already installed the same, so it's not going to install it again. Directly run it. So let's check it. Ollama run Mistral. Hit enter. So now you can see it would open a little slow because it has a heavy AI AI component or software, so it would take because my laptop is slow. So let's wait it. So now you can see it is running. Mistral AI is running. So let's ask some questions. So let's close it. As you can see, wait, let me give you another one. So which many people want to use this one. Let me show the uncensored version, because on ChatGPT and Bard and whatever AI softwares you use online, they have restrictions that you cannot ask few types of questions because it has restrictions from the government and the internet, whatever I think. But it is a model Llama 2 uncensored where you can ask anything and it won't stop you. Rather it would answer. So I've already installed this one also, so I'm just going to run this Llama 2 uncensored. So let's open. Wait, let me show you this one in command that PowerShell, because it would run same in PowerShell also. You do not need to install it again in PowerShell because it installs in your computer, not in command prompt of PowerShell, so it would run fine. So I'm just going to type the same. The command for every AI models is same, just you need to replace the model name, and we have to type Ollama run and the model name. So I'm typing it, Ollama run Llama 2 uncensored, and hit enter. So now you can see that it's running, and let's ask a question. Can we dash someone with a pencil like John Wick? So you can see here that it's answering. You can ask whatever you want, and it will not stop you from asking and simply answer that question. But just use this software with caution, because you may get into trouble if someone finds you searching some bad stuff. So yeah, as you can see that it works same as in command prompt, as it works in as it's working properly in PowerShell also. So you can close it. So yeah, but just remember, For that to work, you always need to open Ollama in the background, which you installed. You can see this Ollama software. You need to always open it before opening command prompt and PowerShell.